In this video, let me show you how to pay Temu with cash. Temu's payment system only supports online payment methods like credit, debit cards, and in some countries, cash on delivery. Cash on delivery is not available in all areas and also comes with a fee. If you want to pay with cash, basically you will choose cash on delivery. Here's how to pay on Temu using cash. First, open your Temu app and add items you want to your cart. Once ready, tap the card icon and proceed to checkout. Scroll down to the payment methods section. If available in your country, select cash on delivery. This lets you pay in cash when the item arrives at your doorstep. Note that this option is only available in selected countries like Philippines. If you don't see cash on delivery, likely it isn't supported in your region. Otherwise, select it, confirm your order, and you're done. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay updated on our latest uploads. If you have any questions or video recommendation, leave them down below.